my video with Tracy.
And who are you?
Demia.
Demia has something from Auntie Carmen. And so I'm going to let her open it up. I don't want you to see the address, so let me open the box first. Hold on.
I
Now try.
got stickers.
Ooh, pretty gems. Those are cute.
Yeah.
Pretty.
I see something
You see something you like?
Candy.
Oh, no. She got, what is that? A ring. A ring pop. Candy. Oh, my goodness.
Oh, yeah. These are like poppers.
Crazy string.
Oh.
You do that at home.
Oh, no.
Yeah.
Oh, no. That's going to be...
Oh,
Is that
I'm sorry.
a glue stick?
I think that's a glow stick.
Oh,
Yeah, I think it's a glow stick. I believe. Okay, what else is in here?
See, it turns off.
Oh, it turned off by itself. Yep, it turned off. And those are called stencils. Oh, yeah. Cute stencils. So, you see these designs up here?
Yep.
You put this on a piece of paper or a canvas, like you're going to paint, and you, look at me opening it up for you. Let me just show you. Nice. We'll have to do this project. How about that? Not today, but let me just show you one. It says, what does it say? Lemonade, lemonade. So you put this down on a piece of paper or something, and you use some paint or something, and you stencil it out. And I'll explain all that to you. But you make pictures and stuff with these.
Ooh,
so you got, one with strawberries. It shows you right here. Lemonade, strawberries. Oh, lemons, some more lemons, and pineapple. Too cute. Nice. For a brief second, because somehow the camera didn't record a couple things that she got. So she wanted to show you. What else was it? She got a light up ball. And strike it hard. Ah, look at there.
It's white.
Yes.
My favorite color.
And there was one more thing that did not record. And what is that?
A chalk butterfly.
A chalk butterfly. Okay. So I think you saw everything else, but we just wanted to bring you back to see those things. All righty.
Hit the likes button. Thank you for everything, Auntie Carmen.
Peace and love.
Peace and love.
That didn't record?
Is the card.
Yes, she got a Christmas card wishing you a very Merry Christmas. Accessory 755 Media.
What?